Firstly, locate the yellow wire on the Tekno WF and cut it. We will not be using it in our wiring configuration. Ensure the system is powered off before beginning the wiring configuration. Locate the green wire on the Tekno WF. Attach it into the number 5 connection on the control board. Locate the red wire on the Tekno WF. Attach it into the number 14 connection on the control board. Locate the black wire on the Tekno WF. Attach it into the number 15 connection on the control board. Locate the white wire on the Tekno WF. Attach it into the number 3 connection on the control board. All wiring works are complete. You can now power on the system. Please proceed to our video to connect the Tekno WF device to a Wi-Fi network and the Toya app.